Hello everyone. What if I told you the square root of 1764 can be found in just few steps without memorizing big tables? So let's solve it together fast and easy. So the square root of a number is a value which when multiplied by itself gives the original value. For example, root x is y. So y times y is x. So now 1764 breaking into factors, we can write first divided by 2, the smallest prime number, this gave us 882. Now again it's an even number, when divided by 2 gives 441. Now 441 is an odd number, go with next prime, that is 3, this gives us 147. 147 divided by 3 gives 49. Now we know that 49 is the square of 7. So divided by 7 gives 7 and 7 divided by 7 gives 1. So 1764 we can write in terms of exponent 2 power 2 times 3 power 2 times 7 power 2. Now taking the square root. So 1764 square root is equals to 2 times 3 times 7, which is equals to 42. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.